Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to knit the repeat stitch pattern to create this lace effect with leaves. This is used in the lace leaf headband and this autumn leaves and evermore bookmark. And it's a fairly easy stitch pattern, but it is a long repeat of around 10 rows. So I'm going to show you how to do it using this Rowan Alpaca DK yarn, and I've got 4mm US 6 knitting needles. I'm using short needles, double pointed needles, just for this tutorial because it's easier for me as I'm knitting to show you what to do. So to begin, I've got some edge stitches, so I'm going to knit 3 and then purl 3 and slip the marker. Next I will knit 1, yarn forward, knit 1, slip 1, knit 1, and then pass that slip stitch over, purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn forward around needle, purl 1, yarn back, slip 1, knit 1, pass that slip stitch over, purl 1, knit 2 together, yarn forward, knit 1, and yarn forward, knit 1. Slip the marker, then purl 3, and knit 3. Okay, turn the work, row 2, which is the wrong side of the work. You will knit 6 for the edge stitches, slip the marker, and then purl 5, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, and then purl 4. And then knit those edge stitches, slip the marker, and knit 6 for the edge stitches. Turn the work, the next right side row. This is row 3. So knit the first 3 stitches, and then purl 3, slip the marker, knit 1, yarn forward, knit 1, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over, purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, purl 1, yarn back, slip 1, knit 2 together, and then pass that slip stitch over, yarn forward, knit 3, yarn forward, knit 1, slip the marker, purl 3, and knit 3. Turn the work, row 4, wrong side row, knit 6, slip the marker, purl 7, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 4. Slip the marker and knit 6. Turn the work, ready for row 5, which is a right side row. So knit 3, and then purl 3, slip the marker, knit 1, yarn forward twice, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, purl 1, knit 2 together twice, yarn forward, knit 5, yarn forward, knit 1, slip the marker, purl 3, and then knit 3. Turn the work. Next wrong side row, row 6, knit 6, slip the marker, purl 8, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 5. Slip the marker and knit 6. Turn the work ready for row 7, which is a right side row. Knit 3, purl 3, slip the marker, knit 1, yarn forward, knit 3, yarn forward, slip 1, knit 2 together and pass the slip stitch over, purl 1, yarn over needle, knit 1, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over, purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn forward and knit 1, slip the marker, purl 3, and knit 3. Turn the work ready for row 8, which is a wrong side row. Knit 6, slip the marker, purl 4, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 7, slip the marker and knit 6. Turn the work ready for row 9, which is a right side row. Knit 3, purl 3, slip the marker, knit 1, yarn forward, knit 5, yarn forward, slip 1, knit 1 and pass the slip stitch over, knit 1, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over, purl 1, knit 2 together knit 1, yarn forward, knit 1, slip the marker, purl 3, and knit 3. Turn the work ready for row 10, knit 6, slip the marker, purl 4, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 8. Slip the marker and knit 6. And that is the 10 row repeat, and you can repeat that until you have the length that you desire. If you would like to see this headband pattern, it's on my website. The link is in the description, where you can get all of the written details for the free pattern. There's also this Autumn Leaves and Evermore bookmark, and that pattern is also on my website. You can find both links for those patterns in the description below. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and that it makes you want to give this pattern a try. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching.